Die Cutting Essentials magazine has just landed. This is issue number 66. And as you can see, it's bright and colorful. And I bet you're asking what's in it. Well, here we go. It is this cutting die. And I love the sunflowers, just absolutely gorgeous. And it looks like it has a couple of dimensions, a thicker one and a thinner one. So that's going to be fun to see. Now, inside the magazine, they're going to give us lots of ideas for using it. In fact, we start off with some hints and tips for how to use this particular one, step by step. And that's really so helpful to have. Here are some projects, and you can see just how they were done. There's also a download to get papers that have the sunflowers on them. That's right here on page 13. You might want to check that out. And let me show you the back side of this. This is Card Making Magic. Christina Griffins, I believe, also did this sunflower cutting die. But this is a set of panels she has coming out, and of course we will be carrying them, so just want to call that to your attention. We do work closely with Practical Publishing, the manufacturers of the magazine, as well as Card Making Magic, Paper Discovery, Made to Surprise, so many of the items. This is off the edge die cutting, so no matter what dies you have, these are some good tips to see them cut outside the normal card, and that's good information to have at your disposal. This is a showcase, so you see some different things. This is an easel card, another fold back card, so some fun things there, and some different color combinations, I thought. Here is using panels to create a shaker card, and they cover it with tulle. Now, usually we do acetate, but they've done the tulle netting and added that instead of the acetate. So it's just another look. And because we have all of the nesting shapes, that's a perfect way to accomplish this. They also show it with a cutting die and a shape. This is a butterfly, also a rectangle. So that I thought was another take on something that we're all familiar with. Here comes the sun. I thought this was really fun, how using the cutting die that's included, doing a banner, doing an embroidery hoop with the papers and the die cut flowers on them. Again, you can get the download for those papers if you're interested. This is another way to use the cutting die. So to make a piece to decorate a bag, or I really like seeing it in some different colors. So that's one of the papers, but also doing this kind of envelope to go with it. I thought that was really an interesting idea. These are die cut stamps. Now, we've shown this in Teresa's DVDs, but in case you missed it, here's step by step how to take your cutting dies, cut them out of craft foam, and turn them into stamps. Just going to make double the use of those. And here's some step-by-step process. That was a surprise when I first saw it. And this is making a buttonhole, so we would call it a boutonniere here. So I thought that was really fun to see, something very different in case you have a wedding or something coming up, or just want to make one to go onto a package. That would be nice too. Die Cutting Essentials number 66, just a beautiful one, full of sunflowers, full of sunshine.